Hey friends, if you encounter blurry fonts in Windows 11, then here's what you have to do. First of all, search for the word performance in the Windows search bar and go to adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. If it's selected anything else, just check it at adjust for best appearance, click on apply and then on OK. Now right click on the start button and then select settings and then go to the system tab and then select display in the right pane. Make sure that both the scale and the resolution are selected at the recommended settings. Okay, once this is sorted out, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. And once we are done with all of this, then the next solution will be to update the drivers. Wait, search for device manager, open the device manager, expand display adapters, right click and update the graphics card drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.